Today in this video, we will learn how to create a vector of any picture. Drag your image in Adobe Illustrator. Increase photo size. Select Window option in taskbar and click on Image Trace. In Preset, select White and Black. Close the tab. Click Object option in taskbar and click on Expand, then OK. Press right-click on Photo and press Ungroup. Again, press right-click and ungroup. Click on Background and press Backspace. Click on Image and change color. Change color all part of image. If you look carefully, there are small parts left. If you don't spot it, zoom the photo and change color. Here before and after.